Next topic is a what? Address binding. What is the meaning of address binding? Binding of an address to data and instruction of a process called a data binding. Okay, nothing but a what? Address binding. Okay, binding of an address to data and instruction of a process is called data binding or the address binding. Okay, address may be represented in a different ways during these steps. Okay, some address are symbolic, some address are numbers. It may be in a different ways, it may be in a different ways. For address binding, we are understanding by using this diagram. This is very important. This is called multi-step processing of a user program. What will happen? You write one program here. So assume that addition of two number program is written, that is called source program. First you will call the compiler or the assembler to compile that program. When you compile that, object module is generated. This object module is input to the linkage editor, means linker. Okay, object module means what? The program is divided into many modules. All modules are linked sorry, by using the linker editor. That is called other object models also linking here. That is that all linked, okay, modules are input to the loader. Okay, what it will do? Loader loader will what? Load the program into the main memory. Load the program into the main memory. While loading, it also load the system libraries which is needed by the program here. This is load time, compile time, and the execution time. This is what the diagram, how the program is going to be executed. So I am explaining about the what? Address binding. Address binding will not complete within these compile time, load time, and execution time. What is the meaning of compile time? What is the meaning of compile time and load time and execution time? Compile time means what? If you know the if you know at compile time where the process will resides in a memory is called compile time. If I take the example, one general example, reservation. Okay, if you take a journey from some place, you will reserve. Okay, you will take a reservation of train or the bus. Then before only you know that in a bus or a train where the place is available, whether is a window seat, second, third, or like that. That is compile time. Means in a compile time, the person we know that where the process is exactly what residing, where the particular address is. That is compile time. Okay, that is example is MS-DOS.com format programs are bounded at a compile time. Load time means what? During a compile time, if you don't know, they are going to be executed, but we don't know particularly where the process are residing. For example, you want to make a journey, but you will catch a bus or a train, but particularly you don't know where you are going to be sit without a reservation, where you are going to be sit, but you will take a place. Okay, that is a what? Load time. Compile time is there, the process are going to be run, but in which address they are going to be executed, that we don't know. That is called a load time. What is the meaning of execution time? Execution time means what? We are the process is started here. The process means your journey is started here. Like that, after compilation, after loading, the what? Execution means what? Here the process can be moved from one memory segment to another memory segment. I shown this diagram. This is for logical address. During execution, it becomes a physical address. So it is going to be change the memory segment. That is called execution. Why? Because they started the execution here. Okay, next third one is a logical versus physical address space. Okay, students, I want to tell that keep in your mind, logical address means address generated by the CPU. Physical address means already address which is available in a computer, means like 1 GB RAM, 2 GB RAM, 750 GB hard disk, something. Okay, 750 MB hard disk, something. That is not physical address. Okay, so what is the meaning of physical address? Address generated by the CPU is called logical address. Address generated by the memory unit is called a physical address. The logical address is also called a virtual address. Logical addresses are called also virtual address. And logical addresses and the physical address are same during compile time and the load time. Compile time, load time, where I explained during address binding, I explained no, logical address and physical address both are same during compile time and load time. That is point. So next point, logical and physical address are different during a execution time. Okay. So that are all point I covered here. During a runtime, mapping from virtual to physical address. Virtual means what? Logical address. That is another name. We are going to be mapped from virtual to physical address. It is done by using one hardware. The hardware name is MMU, Memory Management Unit. It is a memory management unit. Next is a what? Dynamic loading. What is the meaning of dynamic loading? Dynamic loading means what? To improve the efficiency of the memory space, we are using the dynamic loading. Sometimes there are 10 processes are there, 0 to 1, 2, 3, 10 processes are there. Some processor is here unusual, they don't want to execute, but what we'll do, with all these 10 processes we are going to be loaded into the memory for the execution. So unnecessary unnecessary program also taking a time in the memory, that is wastage of a memory space. So for that avoidance we are using the dynamic loading. Here we are going to, if I want to execute process P0, I'll call one routine. That routine execute only P0. After P0, again I'll call the routine. Then it executes process P1. So if which are necessary, that process only we need to execute to improve the memory space utilization. That is called dynamic loading. What is the meaning of dynamic linking? Dynamic linking specially taken during the runtime, during a runtime. What we are doing here, so this is a program, it is compiled, this is a program, it is compiled. Compiled will give the what? It will give the executable file, okay, means it, okay, it is compiled, okay, compiled what going for a run now, okay. During a run we are going to be link some libraries, am I right or wrong? stdio, conio.h, some libraries, okay. This is done by using the dynamic linking. The dynamic, during a runtime, dynamic linking link some external libraries to execute this program, that is called dynamic linking. What is a shared library? Shared library means these libraries only, means stdio.h, some libraries we are going to be linked during a runtime, that is called a shared libraries. For this we are taking a help of stub. Okay, stub is a what? A small piece of a code we are going to be used in a what? Dynamic linking and the shared libraries.